Hey YouTube, how we doing? Well, we've got something here in the shop today that, well, we haven't had in a while. It's been kind of missing. Battlbox is right back here in the shop. We're going to do this one a little differently today. You're going to understand why right after we roll that intro. So let's roll it and get this thing a-going. Alright guys, thanks for staying past that intro. Now I know a little while ago I made mention that, well, I'm not going to be bringing Battlbox back into the shop anymore, but the last two videos that I did, I paid more than a monthly subscription rate to get those boxes. I paid an absolute bear to get them. So I figured, why not just do a basic? Everybody's doing Pro Plus, everyone wants to see Knife of the Month. I figured why not have a little fun this month and we're going to take a look at the basic level. So let's get in here. Now, as we always do, there's the mission card. And there's the back. This month's mission number 39, appears to be repair anything. Okay, now if you're unfamiliar with Battlbox, like I've said in all my other videos, they have 4 levels. They have the basic, which we're going to take a look at today, the advanced, the pro, and the Pro Plus, or as everybody calls it, the Knife of the Month Club. Now, essentially, the more you spend is the more you're going to get. One of the things I think Battlbox has always done well is they've always taken care of the basic members. Your basic membership is going to run you basically $25 a month plus shipping, which I think totaled out to $33, and it says this month has a value of $50.47. The advanced is going to cost you $50. The pro is going to cost you $100, and the Knife of the Month is Pro Plus is going to run you $149.99, with a total overall value of this box at $291.68. But enough of that. Let's get into this thing. Okay, it says the first thing up is Gear Aid Tenacious Tape. That's that right there. And there's the back right there. Now, seeing how I don't have any ripped up items that, to repair right here, and honestly, I'm probably not going to give a great demo on it. I'm going to save the demos, but there it is, guys. Your Tenacious Tape. It's got a value of $5.25. Now, the next one up made me giggle. It's by Atwood Rope, and it's their mini, they call it the TRD. Okay. It is, they have to specify it is made in the USA, and it has a value of $12.99. Basically, it's a small little paracord spool. It's like 95 cord, for lack of a better phrase, like mini cord. And there's the back. It says you get 125 feet in here, and it's got a 100-pound test, so that's pretty damn good. I use paracord a lot for doing stuff, so this is a great way, neat little spool tool, for lack of a better phrase. Okay, next up is the Gear Aid Seam Grip Field Repair Kit. Okay. Aha! Gear Aid Seam Repair. It says in here it's got 1 seam grip, 2 tenacious tape patches, 1 application brush, and a repair guide. Cool. I'm going to have to, field test this somewhere. Doesn't seem that bad. Okay. I don't know about you, but I like this one, especially because I have 3 kids. This may get put into use later on. This is the Fix and Zip. It's got a value of $10.99. Basically, it helps you replace broken zippers. That is awesome. Seriously, that's awesome. I can't tell you how many times I wanted to throw something away just because the zipper broke, and then tried on my own going, oh, hey, well, it'll be okay. I'll just do this. Yeah, no, see? Awesome. Alright, next up is the Gear Aid Free Sole Aqua Seal Shoe Repair. I gotta tell you, I think these things are invaluable. They really, truly are. You got a favorite pair of shoes, like a heel's wearing out, you can put a little piece of tape around the backside, like duct tape, make a dam, and repair that thing. You know, you're wearing holes in it, you can help seal it up. Just awesome. Flat out awesome. I usually don't say this too much, but Battlebox just released their video. Go check it out, because Curran has a great demo on using this. But that's got a value of $7.75 if I didn't say that. So, here we go. And I have used these before. Next up is FiberFix. This stuff is freaking awesome. I mean, it's messy when it's going together. Basically, it's a roll of fibrous duct tape, for lack of a better phrase. You dump it in warm water for like 10 minutes. You pull it out, you start wrapping it around, and it creates this great cement-like seal, and it makes like a broken item brand new again. I use this, matter of fact, I used something exactly like this when I did a set of horse reins for my ex-brother-in-law, and it helped really secure the ends, for lack of a better phrase. But there's that. And hey, look at this, like they usually do, but I hadn't seen it recently. And here's your free money that they usually do in every box. They usually give you something. And it looks like this one's from Atwood Rope. So any of you paracorders out there, you know how much saving 20% can be awesome. But there you go. So, gonna take a quick moment, set everything up like we usually do in our videos, and I'll give you a quick rundown. Alright guys, so there it is. You know, Mission 39, repair anything. With hunting season coming up for a lot of people, and people going camping and all this other great stuff, I think it's a great box. I mean, I know right now I can't use most of this, but I don't have a problem with anything that they sent. I think they did a really good job putting out a pretty good box. Now, those of you who are on the Pro Plus level, seriously, I want to see your feather sticks. I mean, that's the knife of the month. It was supposed to be last month, but I guess they didn't get them in time. So, you know, post up pictures of your stuff. But anywho, guys, there it is. You know, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, thank you so much for tuning into this weird one. Because, like I said, everybody does the Pro Plus. No one really even takes a moment to look at the basic. Every video I've ever seen, it seems like people breeze through everything just to show you the knife. But you will be seeing a symbol popping up down here. That's going to be my company logo. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. And trust me, you want to like, share, subscribe. Sorry, shameless plug there. Right after you hit on that subscribe button, please click on the bell icon that is right next to it. It's going to remind you, or I should say not remind, but notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube selects from my catalog of videos that they think is going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Battlebox Mission 39. As usual, if you have it, leave comments down below. And hey, hope you have an incredible day today.